In this video, we're going to write a program that uses the joption pane to get a full name from the user, and then it's going to take that full name and split it into just initials, and it's going to display those initials to the user. So the first thing we need to do is create a joption pane that tells the user to input something. So we'll say full name, that'll be the name of the variable. That will be equal to joption pane with capital P. Show input dialog. This will bring up a dialog box where the user can input something, and then we'll type in a message for them. We'll say type your full name here, and then the user can type their full name. Oh, that's a string, and I need to tell that's a string. Then we'll have another string s. We'll set it to just an empty string. And we'll also need a string builder because we're going to just get individual characters and add them to the string. So string builder, we'll call it t equals new string builder. Then we're getting a full name from the user, and we're just calling that full name. And we need to get the first character of each word there. We're going to assume they put in a name. We're not going to write some fancy dictionary to check if it's a name or not. So for int I equals 0, while the name has letters in it, so while I is less than full name dot length minus 1, we'll iterate I by 1 each time. So we're inside a for loop. Think about it. Let's say we have the name Joey Harbour. Anytime we have a space, we're going to want to get the next character and add that to the name. So, to do that, we'll say if the full name char at I is equal to a space, we want to get the next character, so we'll say t.append full name char at I plus 1. And then after the if statement, we want to add that to our string s, so s will equal full name char at 0. The full name char at 0, that's going to get us the very first character that they type in, because otherwise we'd be missing that one, plus t, because t's been appended to string. See, we'll start sending the for loop there, and then we'll display the answer to them. So joption pane show message dialog null comma s. Null here, if I put something there, it would be like directions to put an image up. So I'll run this, see how it's working. Should be working well, I think. Type in your full name. Let's say Joey J Harbour. JJH. That seems right. What if I'll just type in the name of a famous person. Most people know who Barack Hussein Obama is. I apologize if I'm spelling his name wrong. I'm not completely sure how to spell the middle name. So I'll press enter. I should get BHO. So it's working just fine. So I can hit X and it doesn't do anything else, or I can hit the OK button and it doesn't do anything else either. Both of them X it out. Anyways, that's how you use the joption pane to get some input from the user, and shows you how you can do a little bit with that input. You could also bring it into the regular program, do stuff with it there. Shouldn't have too many more examples. I'll have an example showing how to display images. I might do a GIF, I'm not sure. And then at the end of this course, which we're getting very close to, we'll have one video, or actually probably like a 5-part video, where we go over how to make a calculator similar to the one that you can pull up in pretty much any computer. Just a very basic calculator. Thanks for watching.